Welcome to Ghost Gear Garage. HY everyone, and welcome back to Ghost Gear Garage. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the rarest and most elegant luxury cars ever built, the 1933 Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow. Before we begin, let me know in the comments which classic, vintage, luxury, or supercar you'd like to see featured next. I'll create a detailed video based on your suggestions. Now let's get started. History. The 1933 Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow was introduced by the American luxury automaker Pierce Arrow at the New York Auto Show in 1933. Built in Buffalo, New York, USA, it was designed to showcase the future of luxury automobiles. Its streamlined Art Deco styling was years ahead of its time and amazed car enthusiasts around the world. Only 5 Silver Arrow cars were ever produced, making it one of the rarest classic automobiles in history. The Silver Arrow represented innovation, prestige, and advanced engineering during the Great Depression, proving that luxury and craftsmanship could still reach extraordinary heights. Interior. Step inside the Silver Arrow, and you'll immediately notice the exceptional craftsmanship. The cabin features premium leather upholstery, polished wood trim, elegant instrumentation, and spacious seating designed for maximum comfort. Every detail reflects the luxury standards of the 1930s. The dashboard has a clean and sophisticated layout, while the high-quality materials create a refined atmosphere. Even by today's standards, the interior feels timeless and remarkably elegant. Engine. Under the hood, the Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow is powered by a 462 cubic inch, 7.6-liter V12 engine. This impressive power plant produced approximately 175 horsepower, delivering smooth performance and effortless cruising. At a time when most vehicles were far less powerful, the Silver Arrow stood out with its advanced engineering, refined driving experience, and quiet operation. It was designed not only for speed but also for comfort and reliability. Exterior. The exterior is where the Silver Arrow truly shines. Its flowing aerodynamic body, integrated headlights, long sweeping fenders, and distinctive fastback design were revolutionary for 1933. The chrome accents, elegant grille, and graceful proportions make it one of the most beautiful classic cars ever created. Even after more than 90 years, the Pierce Arrow Silver Arrow continues to impress collectors and automotive enthusiasts with its timeless beauty and historical significance. Closing. Thank you so much for watching Ghost Gear Garage. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Don't forget to tell me in the comments which car you'd like to see next. I'll do my best to create a detailed video about your favorite classic, luxury, or vintage automobile. Thanks again for being part of the Ghost Gear Garage family. See you in the next video.